name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, my name is Jazz. So happy and excited to have you here today. And if you like home decor and DIYs and projects on a budget, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I'm going to be uploading new videos. As you may see on the last couple videos, I was creating like very neutral decor pieces because this is the theme that I'm going to be decorating this year in my home. But my bedroom is going to be different, and I'm so excited and happy to say that this video is sponsored by Lulu, which is a mattress company that can deliver your mattress to your front door for free, and that I am in love with because since I have my mattress, I have been sleeping like a baby, and I'm so grateful for that. But I'm going to touch on them in just a little bit. I'm going to be creating these DIYs thinking in my bedroom because I want my bedroom to be like different, all red colors and plates and things like that. So I'm going to be creating all of these DIYs that are going to match perfect on my room, and I'm really happy and excited, and I just hope that you like this video, that you can get inspired by these ideas, and if you do, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel, and let me know in the comments which of these ideas is your favorite, and make sure that you follow me on all my social media pages: Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, my webpage Jazomy.com. we are posting every single week, and also my other channel Jazomy Home. You can see new videos and different content over there, so make sure that you check the links in the description box. And yeah, let's get started with these DIYs. For this project, I'm going to be using these canvas. I got these from Five Below. They come two in a package, and they are 11 by 14 inches, but they have so many other sizes, or you can get the ones from Dollar Tree. It's going to be a little bit cheaper, smaller, but it's going to turn out amazing anyways. And what I'm going to be doing is to remove all of the staples to be able to remove my canvas fabric, and then that way I can work with my wood frame. I'm going to change the color of this wood frame, and I'm going to paint it with my chalk paint in black color. I'm going to give it one really good coat of paint, and then I'm going to let it dry. Once I have that, I'm going to be working with like the background of my sign, and for that you can reuse your canvas, like the canvas fabric, or you can add something else. Like me, I decided to add this scrapbook paper that I got from Hobby Lobby that has like this really cute pattern. I'm going to stick that scrapbook paper on the back side of this wood frame, and I'm going to add some hot glue. Then I'm going to start decorating my sign, and I decided to add a small piece of wood with hot glue. I just make two small knots on each side, and I'm going to be hanging these wood slice pieces that I got from Amazon, and I have these since fall. I have done so many projects using these wood slice pieces, and I really love them, so you can check the link in the description box. And I'm going to stick 3 hanging from the ute with hot glue. On the top, close to the frame, I decide to add some greenery or like some foliage that are perfect now for Christmas, just to give it that pop of green. And then I'm going to be adding some pine cones too that you can get at Dollar Tree. You can also get the greenery or like the foliage from Dollar Tree too, and depending on the colors that you are using now for Christmas, you can add some berries. You can add red berries, like white berries. You have so many options, so I'm going to be sticking a few of them on the foliage. And then it's time to add the letters on your wood signs. You can use stickers from Dollar Tree, you can use your Cricut, you can paint them yourself. And I'm going to be creating the word joy. You can add more wooden slices to create like a longer word, but that depends on you and how you like it. And this is how my project turned out. I got a really excited delivery to my front door from Lulu mattress, and I was so happy. I have been looking for a mattress for a pretty long time now, and the one that I had was very old, and I need that mix of comfort and support. Then Lulu mattress contacted me, and the whole process was super simple. You just have to place your order online, ships for free, and arrives to your front door packed in this very nice box. And that is something that surprised me me a lot is how they managed to pack these incredible high quality memory foam mattress in a box. I mean, that's amazing, and also very convenient. I thought that maybe I was gonna need help, but no, it was very easy in fact, and anyone can do it. You just have to pop it out from the box, then accommodate it in your bed frame, then you need to unwrap, and then your Lulu mattress will start to expand super fast. And I think that is one of the most exciting parts, or at least for me, just to see how it expands. But keep in mind that it will take about 24 hours for your Lulu mattress to fully expand. My second favorite moment was jumping on my Lulu mattress and try it and enjoy that moment. And oh my god, you guys have no idea how amazing and comfortable and soft it feels. It's like being on a cloud. My husband also tried it and he loved it so much. He suffers of reflux, so he sleeps almost sitting, so he always have lower back pain, and we have been sleeping for a few weeks in the Lulu mattress, and it has been a game changer. It's very comfortable, and also guys, this is live warranty, so if you decide to buy it, they offer you 365 trial with free shipping, so that's amazing. And if you love it like me, you can keep it. If not, you can return it for free too. So you must go and check their page, lulu.com, and you can get $300 off in any size original mattress. And I mean, that's amazing. And let me tell you that I was a little nervous because I have never ordered a mattress online before, but the experience was amazing, and I'm in love with my Lulu mattress, in addition to the other products that they have, such as pillows and sheet sets. And so if you are looking for that comfort and a good sleep at bedtime, make sure that you check lulu.com. I will leave you the link in the description box of the video so that you can also save those $300 off of your pocket when you buy any size original Lulu mattress. Thanks again to Lulu for sending me an amazing and comfortable mattress to my front door. Okay, let's continue with these DIYs. And for this project, I'm going to be using these two clear ornaments that you can get at Dollar Tree. I removed the lid already. And what I'm going to be doing is to stick one inside of the other one. And I'm going to be creating like a super cute snowman. Now, I need a base in order to keep these stand up. So I'm going to be using these hanging wood piece. I'm going to be reusing one that I already have that I paint with some wax in a thick color. And what I'm going to be doing is just to stick with hot glue my two ornaments. Now I decided to paint these two ornaments, and what I'm going to be doing is to add some paper to cover the wood, and I'm going to be using this semi-gloss ivory biscuit color. I'm going to spray paint this outside, and then I'm going to let it dry. You can do 1 or 2 coats of paint depending on the coverage. And once I was done with that, this is how my snowman is looking for the moment, and I really like it. Now I need to add like a scarf, and you can do that using any kind of ribbon, any pattern. I have this red one with plaid that I really like, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to just make it like a little bit smaller, and before adding that, you can maybe add some foliage just to make it look like super cute, and then you just have to add the ribbon, making it look like a scarf. Once you have that part of your snowman ready, you are almost done. You can add some beads on the bigger ornament. I paint them black, and for the nose, I'm going to be using like the tail of this snake. I just cut that, painted a little bit, and stick it with hot glue. For the eyes, I forgot to show you, but I use some berries from Dollar Tree, and I just paint them black and add them with hot glue. And once I was done, this is how my project turned out. This is how cute this snowman looks, and I really like it. Like I said, you can change the scarf depending on the colors that you are using, but it's a really fun and good option. Anyone can do it, and it's a fun craft to do with your kids too. Next project is extremely easy, but I love how it turned out. I'm going to be using these round box that you can get at Dollar Tree. You have so many options and different like patterns over there, so you can choose the ones that you like the most. You need to remove the lid, and then you can add a vase. I'm going to be using this candle holder that I have. I got it from Amazon, and you can check the links in the description box. And then on the top of the box, just to make it look a little bit better and with a high-end look, I'm going to be using this leather faux leather ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to stick that with hot glue, and then you can add foliage or greenery or berries, flowers. You have so many options, and I think it turned out so good. You can add that to a tray and put these on the nightstands on your room, and I think it's a really good budget friendly option, and it looks amazing. This next project is a little bit big, but I'm going to start working with this part first. I'm going to be creating a wreath, and you can use any wreath from Dollar Tree or one that you get at the thrift store. You have so many options. I just have this one at home, and that's what I'm going to be using to make this project on a budget. I mean, like, that's the idea, right? So what I'm going to be doing is to use some like cedar or pine pieces. I don't know what exactly is this, but I'm going to be adding these on my wreath with hot glue just to make the wreath look a little bit bigger. Next, I'm going to be using some berries, and I got these ones from Dollar Tree, and they look so good. I always like to use berries on my Christmas trees and on my decorations because they make look your Christmas tree or your crafts so much fuller, and they add a really nice touch, perfect now for these holidays. So I'm going to be adding them on my wreath with hot glue. Now I'm going to be working with the other part of this project. I'm going to be using this frame. It's super big. I think it was a mirror frame, I'm not sure, but I'm going to be reusing this one, and I'm going to add a back using this whiteboard that I got from Dollar Tree. I just cut it the exact size that I need to. As you can see, it doesn't cover the whole like frame, but it's okay. I'm just going to add a small piece of ribbon to cover that hole, and it's going to look amazing anyways. Now I'm going to start adding everything on this sign to make sure that it looks how I want to. I'm going to add my wreath, and then on the other side I'm going to be adding this Mary sign that I got from Dollar Tree last year, and I already painted in red color. And then on the bottom I'm going to write Christmas with my Cricut. I'm going to make that decal, and then I'm going to stick that, but you can use stickers. You can write it by hand. You can print something with on your computer. You have so many options. And once you have everything set up where you want the pieces to be, you can stick all of them with hot glue or like the stickers, and that's all, guys. You can hang this on your wall, and this is how this project turned out. I hang this sign on my room, and it's going to look amazing. Now I'm going to be decorating this bedroom now for Christmas. And remember that if you are hunting for a mattress, check the Lulu.com link is going to be in the description box, so that way you can get those $300 off on your purchase, and I promise you're going to love it. So remember to check that, and if you like this video, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support this channel. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas is your favorite, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit that bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages, webpage, and my other channel, Jazomy Home. All of the links are always in the description box of every single video. Love you so much, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.